What is good, my people? What is good? What is good? Hope you all are doing great. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Good evening. ICT Trader, what's up, man? Are you good? What's good? What is planned for today? I actually want to focus on German, on the DAX. Currently today we don't have any news until unemployment claims around 8:30 a.m. New York time, so it's only that. So I was actually looking at this earlier. I tried to buy it earlier, and before the stream I got banned right there. I actually tried to buy that. Reason why: we're currently in a discount on the daily, and we swept Asia low. We got a market structure shift. We're currently in a deep discount, and we swept Asia low, and I got a market structure shift. I got a market structure shift there, SL hit. So now I'm waiting for, I'm actually waiting for another market structure shift. What am I buying? We're still in discount. We still swept Asia low, and we manipulated lower into a 15-minute BC. So currently I'm waiting for a market structure shift here again to buy this for the last time. And on the euro, we didn't really get much on the euro. USD also currently in a 15-minute BC there, and then we swept the sell side. We swept that sell side, and then let's go to a higher time frame. Excuse me, with that order block there, and then we're currently in a H4. Currently in a H4 BC. So there's that too, right? So we're just gonna see how prices actually play out on that. And then with the GBP, there isn't really much happening on the GBP right now. There isn't really much, nothing exciting on the GBP. So yeah, it's that on the Eurusd and the German. So this is my main focus for the session, buying the German. We finally we did rebalance even all the way to the consequent encroachment of that. So patiently just waiting for another market structure shift again, and then EU in H4. Yeah, like I said there, we are in that H4 fair value gap. So there's that too. There's that too. Andy, good morning, man. How's it going? How is it going? How are you doing today? How you guys doing today? How are you doing, Andy? As usual, perfect. Dope. Glad you're doing great, man. I'm glad you're doing great. EURUSD looks like we might dip into that H4 consequent encroachment of that H4 BC. We might dip into that. Probably might dip into that. Might dip into that consequent encroachment, maybe probably give us some higher prices from there. But let's look at the dollar, right? We currently just rebalance that volume imbalance. There is not even a volume imbalance. This is a liquidity void. Prices opened all the way up there. So you got that volume imbalance or liquidity void. Forgot the difference between the two, but yeah, prices might reject off of that, give us more lower prices on the dollar index. Right, might give us lower prices on the dollar index just to give that EURUSD enough space to actually tap into that H4. Or we can just take off from here. We can just keep going higher and higher and higher, you know, keep going higher and higher. So more bullish on this means lower prices on the EU, but if you get more bearish, prices on the dollar index means more higher prices on the DXY, on the EURUSD. So we're just gonna see how that actually plays out. What are you guys looking at this London session? What are you guys looking at? What are you guys looking at? GBPUSD, nothing really much happening here. I can see that SMT there. EURUSD take out that low, while GBPUSD failed to take out that low right there, hasn't taken it yet. So we got that SMT too, we got that SMT divergent there too, so which means GBPUSD is a stronger one, which was best to actually buy it than the euro. What are you guys looking at this session? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I wonder there is H4 favorably gap in GU. Amazing FXCM. Let's look at, I think I have a wonder chart somewhere. Crazy. So I wonder already it's also in a H4. So it's in a H4 BC. What's up, KB? Welcome to the stream, my guy. Welcome to the stream. Let's see what the futures chart is saying. Tyrone, what's up, man? What's going on? Oh, those who are not here, London New York session. I actually managed to patch the 100k top step challenge. Reached my target yesterday during the New York session. So there's that. I wanna check the GBP. What is the futures chart? Jesus Christ. You can see Eurusd, AUSD. There's no GBP. It's only the pound futures. The euro, New Zealand dollar. They only got EURUSD and yeah, they don't have GBP. It is what it is. But as you can see, it's breaking lower of that H4 BC that you were highlighting. But yeah, let's see on EURUSD seems to be standing its ground because I can see the GBP USD going lower while the euro is just standing there. It's weird how the FXCM chart looks a little bit different on GBP, but it is what it is. The German getting more lower prices, finally fully rebalanced that 15-minute BC 15-minute fair value gap. Finally rebalanced that, right? We're just getting way deeper into discount. It's getting way deeper into discount. And then if we look at NAS, damn it. If we actually look at NAS, let's start from the daily. We're currently in premium, right? Price is just rejected off a little bit, and then as you can see, prices tapped into this and lower into this H4 BC2 on the NAS, and then as you can see also earlier on, probably during Asia, prices dipped into this BC here, H1 BC, and then gave us more higher prices to take out that buy side liquidity there. Tapped into that, went to take out buy side liquidity there, and then now it tapped a little bit lower, going to the 15 minutes. The Asia range is really wide. We haven't taken out Asia low. We haven't done much. We took out sell side there. That sell side liquidity there on a 15-minute. The next joint liquidity, we might be going for that Asia high. But we're just gonna see how this actually plays out too. Just gonna monitor it. If we can actually drop into that Asia low, that would be great. We might be going into discount for the day. If we actually drop into that Asia low, we might be into discount. Bettina, how are you? Welcome back to the stream. How are you doing today? So as I was saying, with NAS, we might tap into that. If we actually drop into that Asia low, we'll be in discount for the day, and that will be a good position to actually sell from. To buy from. If we can actually drop into that, as you can see, that is the discount for the day that we made. So we can make more discount price and then buy it from that, or maybe if NAS can actually come and take out that sell side liquidity there, it'll be good discount price to buy from. But we're just gonna see. I'm gonna set an alert. Actually, I'm gonna set an alert on the gonna set the alert on the Asia low. If price get there, that would be nice. S&P, more or less the same thing. We got that volume imbalance there, just below the Asia low, so price can just manipulate into that volume imbalance, taking out the Asia low, then we actually go up, get higher prices. So, but on today's focus, I'm more on this German than the pairs, than EURUSD and GBP. As you can see, GBP and EURUSD finally tapping that consequent encroachment of the H4 BC, and then mind you, we are in discount for the day, right? We are in discount for the day, so chances that prices might reject off of this, making this the low of the day, London being the low of the day. And then yeah, we can also look at this. If you can get another market structure shift, a proper market structure shift, maybe I might consider taking the buy. If we get that market structure shift, I might consider taking the buy. But as for now, just gonna wait here and just chill and wait. Let me do it now. That's the Euro USD, waiting for the market structure shift. And then here I'm gonna put the German. As you can see, we kind of broke below that 15-minute BC. So also we are waiting for this German to give us something we can work with. So we're just waiting on what this has to offer. Max, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? As you see, the German is already flying. Waiting to see if we can get that market structure shift. I wonder if I can I even oh no, it's already here. I need to launch it again. If they actually have the I don't think they have the German or the US or the DEX. Still waiting. Oh, sorry. market structure shift is about to confirm in the next 15 seconds, and then on the German, and then we might get an entry there. And then we confirm. Let's just tap back in that. It'll be confirming my buy on the German. I see you like German. Is there a reason for it? It's a good index to trade during the London session, right? During the London session, because it's mostly moved by the European pairs. Yeah, if you check, it moves in the same. It's correlated to the Euro USD and the GBP. So whenever the euro is gaining strength, also this will gain strength. So it's a good London index to trade. If you want to substitute NAS and S&P, it's a good London index to actually trade. And during New York, I don't touch it. I only touch it during the London session. So that's that. Let's set you up. Are you in Germany? No, I'm not in Germany, man. I'm not in Germany. I am not in Germany. That's not the reason why I like German 30. Makes sense. I've been trading UK 100, but at the moment it's just too bullish. I don't see any short entries. I may try German 30. I mean, try what you are used to. Don't try anything new that you're not used to. Don't try anything that you haven't backtested, right? Don't try anything that you haven't backtested. So if you want to try the German 30, backtest it first before you can try it. Before you can actually try it. Before you can try it, you should backtest it first. But the UK 100, I don't think I've traded it before. The UK 100, I don't think I have. I wonder, let me see if how it is actually looking. I haven't really traded it before, to be honest. Yeah, haven't traded it before. Don't wanna lie. Seems like the euro going lower, almost taking that min threshold as same as the GU. But right now I'm just focusing on the EU, and then the German looks like it's just taking off right now, right after rebalancing that BC, that 15-minute BC. It is literally just taking off. And there is also another market structure shift here, so that is a bit tricky, you know, which one to wait for, that one down there or take this one is the question. Right, because this one has a lower risk. Damn it. The one down there has a lower risk, the one up there, the risk might be a little bit wild. So there's that. Eurusd finally took out that, finally tapped into that consequent encroachment there. Also waiting for a market structure shift on that euro. Also waiting for the market structure shift on that euro. I ask you guys what you're looking at this session. Are you looking at anything this London session? Because I know most pairs that we pay attention to is the Eurusd. Is the Eurusd and the GBP, right? Those are the major pairs that we normally focus on during the London session. So yes, I want that lower market structure shift and I'll be happy. EU, yeah. I have a feeling that price might reject from this order block up there. I mean, the BC might close inside and then reject and give us higher prices. I think what I'm gonna do is gonna go light, and then if you actually go lower, I would actually execute more. So I'm gonna go light, and then if you drop lower, I'm gonna execute the rest of the percentage of the trade. Right. And then if you drop lower, I wanna execute more right there. And then of course SL being all the way down there, and then targeting London high. Targeting London high. No. And then yeah, obviously risk being all the way down there. Anyway, there, if prices drop there, it is what it is. Out of the trade, don't have to stress. But yeah, and then if prices go into the lower if it goes into the lower one, I am gonna execute another percentage. So on this trade, obviously, if you're trading a prop firm, I would execute 0.5. If I wanna take 1% on the trade, I'd execute 0.5 here, and then if it drops lower to this, I'll execute another 0.5, which makes it a 1%, total of 1%. So there's that. Valentine, I just got different pairs, to be honest. EJ and EG mixed with UK, but sometimes also gold. Yeah, that's dope. I haven't really traded. Whenever I look at EJ, I don't trade EG. Euro GBP, I don't trade it. Whenever I look at EJ, I I always look at swing. I always want to swing it. I don't inter-session trade that pair. I always swing it, right? I always swing it. So there's that, and then gold, of course, inter-session. Swinging gold is something else. You can't be swinging gold. Swinging gold is painful. Valentine, good morning. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you this morning? How are you this morning? That's great. Glad you're okay. Glad you're okay. Euro keeps digging lower. Keeps on digging lower. Euro just keeps on digging lower. Let's see how the, well, it makes sense because of the DXY. It keeps on giving us higher prices. So currently in a H1 bearish. Currently in a ish. Okay, let me do full screen for a second because y'all couldn't see. We're currently in a H1 bearish order block on the dollar, right? And then we got that mean threshold there. If price don't reject off of that mean threshold or right after rebalancing this order block, if it keeps on going higher, getting higher prices, the euro will definitely drop. So the only signal that we need to buy euro USD is that we need to see the dollar index actually give us lower prices. We need to see it give us lower prices. And is this a new, that's a new day opening gap, innit? That's a new day opening gap. As you can see, price closed there and then reopened right there. So yeah, we got that new day opening gap right there. But we're just gonna see. I'd like to see the mean threshold price reject from the mean threshold. That's what I would like to see on the dollar index right now. But as you can see, it keeps on flying higher, which means the euro finally rebalanced that H4, finally rebalanced the whole of that H4 BC, right? Finally rebalanced that H4 BC. And guys, while you're watching, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe with the notification so you get notified whenever I go live. You get a notification 30 minutes before I go live, and when I go live, you don't want to miss anything. As you can see, right after rebalancing, prices might be rejecting off of that, and then the DXY didn't really go to the mean threshold, which I still have a feeling that we might go into that mean threshold and then maybe reject off of that, but we'll see. We will see. Or maybe it's rejecting off of the body, right? It might rejecting off a mean threshold of the body of that order block, right? As you can see, it already tapped in there. of the min threshold of the body of the order block, but that also can work. That also can work. But yeah, DXY. Let me put as you see, it's going lower. The German is trying to go lower into the microstructure shift under. Or not. Or not. Got all these highs. I like to see price take out all these highs, giving us market structure shifts to the upside. I'd like to see that. Bitcoin view. Oh my god. As you can see, it's also tapped into that H4 BC. Honestly, just looking at it, I'm expecting more buys. Just looking at it, we're currently in a discount for the day, right? We're currently in a discount for the day, so I'm expecting, and we're already taken out previous day high. Yeah, but I still expect that buy side liquidity up there to be swept on Bitcoin, to be honest. And then switching to the H4, we have that H4 BC there. Switching to the H1, we also have another H1 BC just below that one, right? And we have all these prices there accumulating, just waiting for that break. And already took out Asia low, right? Already took out Asia low. So honestly, Bitcoin, I'm expecting more bullish prices. I'm expecting more bullish prices to take out that buy side liquidity there. Or unless we're gonna reject, we took out buy side liquidity, we're gonna come back and, well, if we don't reject off of this BC, probably coming for this one, which I expect it, if we do, min threshold of it, halfway point, I mean consequent encroachment. If we're going from that buy side to internal liquidity, it'll probably come to the halfway point of it and then go take out that buy side liquidity. But we might reject off of that BC and then just go straight to the buy side. But overall direction, I'm expecting bullish prices on the Bitcoin. And also bear in mind that we are currently in discount for the day. We are currently in discount price for the day. So yeah, finding a setup right now, and then also 15-minute. We got a microstructure shift with that BC, and then so yeah, that's the I like the fact that price is just tapped into that H4 BC, and then 15-minute already created a microstructure shift with the BC. So yeah, prices might reject off of that and take off to Asia high. Obviously, also overall target being that buy side liquidity up there. So that's my view on BTC. That's what I'm expecting. Finally, market structure shift. Finally getting the market structure shift. While I was distracted, this actually tapped. It tapped, so I'm gonna put the rest of the percentage on my German. I'm gonna put the rest of my percentage on the German. Put in the rest of the percentage on the German, and let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. And then equity just opened. London equity just opened, so maybe getting some actions in a few minutes right from now, anytime from now. So far we're getting that action that we were looking for. Price is just taking off. Eurusd, it didn't really give me the market structure shift that I want. It's not really giving me the market structure shift that I'm actually looking for. So nothing yet that I would say that I would want to take on the EU. Saying GU is flying. Yeah, did we get a market structure shift on the GU? We did actually get a market structure shift on the GU, and then there's the only one that I can take. If I was to take a trade on GU right now, this is the buy that I would take. I would look for a buy right there. And since the EU doesn't really confirm, it doesn't really give us what we're looking for. It doesn't give us the market structure shift that we're looking for. Seems like the EU might give us that. Yes, I guess I saw one here. So I would buy from there. There's where I'll be taking buys from that. But look at how it's just dropping past that. So yeah, GU seems like the one that confirmed. EU doesn't really give us the setup that I would actually look for. As you can see right now, it's just dropping, and then so is GU. So the confirmation is right there, but I'm not gonna take that. Becoming Phantom, bro. Working on funded accountants. Is that my Forex Funds disappeared? Yeah, I'm still trading prop firms, man. I'm still trading prop firms. I am still trading prop firms. If that's what you wanted to know. Which ones do you trust now? So many prop firms are failing. Yeah, there's so many. There's so many. Ones that I can say I trust is FTMO and the 5%ers. FTMO and the 5%ers. Those are the ones that I can truly say you should try. You should try them. FTMO and the 5%ers. Definitely try those. Here's a trade, guys. But I'm not gonna go. A part of me actually wants to take this because the EURUSD hasn't really confirmed. We were waiting for the EURUSD. Didn't really give me the setup that I'm looking for. But the GU did. Buy. Right. So the question is, we're now looking at GU, and obviously the target is Asia high, right? I was looking at GU since EU is not really giving us the setup that we're looking for. So yeah, where would have been your TP if you had gotten into GU? Asia high, my guy. Asia high. Already swept Asia low. TP, Asia high. The high that we made, just in case you don't know what Asia high is, today's high. Today's high already that we made, that high right there, that would be the target. And then obviously risking about how many pips? At least 8 pips on the trade. But I don't like the way it's moving. I don't like the way it's moving right now. It's not giving me a reason why I should be buying it. The reason why I didn't want to play with EURUSD, that's why I'm focusing on the German, is because of the dollar index. Because of the dollar index, I don't like what the dollar index is doing. That's why I'm skeptical on taking a trade on that EU or the GU. How man, trades taken on stream? KB, what do you mean? How many? Was that the question? How many trades? Was that the question? How many trades? Yeah, I don't like this trade because of the dollar index. No, it's only one so far. German. This, I am not taking this. The GU, I am not taking it personally. I am not gonna take this, the GU, because of the dollar index. The only trade that I'm on is the German. But the GU, man, because of the dollar index right now, it's not, yeah. Even though this seems like a good trade on EGU, it's making me feel weird. And then as you can see how it's correlating with the German. Maybe with another market structure shift. Yeah. But I don't like the way the USDT is like right now. I'm not a huge fan of the dollar right now. Not at all. No big fan. Let's see how the euro is. Euro finally also. Maybe if we get another market structure shift here. But the thing is, GU would be the proper one to buy because it looks stronger than, is it me or it looks stronger than, let me see on the 15 minute, it looks stronger than GU, I mean EU, EURUSD. The gbpusd looks stronger than the EURUSD, yeah, it is actually stronger than that, I think, I'd like to believe. So maybe if you get another market structure shift here, I might consider. But I'm gonna risk very, very, very low. Very, very low, even a 0.10%. It is fine. The GBP is just tanking up now. Euro USD doing the same thing, literally just tanked out the but still hasn't given a proper microstructure shift. The one that I want, the one that I trade, hasn't given me that. Not yet. And neither is the GBP USD. It does. I mean, like, if you're just using just a basic microstructure shift, you could just wait for price to tap in there and then you buy it off, but not me. That's not how I trade my 1 minute microstructure shifts. Hi, 26 800, 26 800, yeah. James, I'm doing great, man. How are you doing? How are you doing this morning? This beautiful morning. Oh, my God. How are you doing, man? Great to have you back. Great to have you back. Anybody go in the GU? Did anybody go in the GU or the EU? Did anybody tap in? Who tapped in? Are you in both trades? ICT? No. Like I said, I'm only in German. Only in German. I did not take GU. I'm only in German. I did not take GU. I did not take GU. I only took German. James, you good? I'm not trading today since I'm done for the week. That's nice, man. That's nice. That's nice. Keep it that way. I'm guessing you're done for the week because you're in blues. Even if you're in losses, that's a good decision to make. Honestly, this week has been weird. It's been a weird week so far. It's been a weird week so far. I don't want to lie. It's been a weird week. But yeah, if you are done for the week, that's good, man. Hope you do that. Hope you stay away from MT5. Don't take any trades. Yeah, ICT trader, you're in on German and Bitcoin. Oh, nope. Guessing you took that Bitcoin too. We'll check that in a few minutes, see how it's actually going. Tyrone, yes. NGU, dope. Looking to go in on EU. Yeah, EU hasn't really given us much to trade. It hasn't really given us much. It hasn't really given us much. KB, only German. We're together on that one. We're together on the German. Up 7% for the week. I'm so happy. That is dope. That is dope, man. That is dope. 7% is a lot to be up for the week. How's your funded account going? It's going quite well, man. Well, at the moment it's not really that good, but yeah, at the moment it's not really that good, but I'm getting there. No, this week has been a weird week, so yeah, that's been a weird week. So actually that depends on which funded account you're actually asking about. Yeah, but I would say it's cool. It's okay. I'd say it's okay. Overall, it's okay. Overall, it is okay. Yeah. You passed the 100K account, right? Yeah, there's that too. I passed that too. I passed the 100K with obviously Top Step. So yeah, I think I'll probably start trading that one next week. How are you doing with the 50% so far? It's going all right. That one is going all right. It is going all right. I like how there is no phase 2 in 100K. No, it's one phase. Top Step is one phase. It is one phase. Yeah, Top Step is one phase. Why is German playing games right now? I like how this is going for, it's getting higher prices. I'm guessing the DXY, it's actually reversing. Yeah, makes sense. I'm guessing what's pushing it, the euro, is the DXY. So that is dope. It's rejecting off of that order block. It's a H1 order block in it. Yeah, almost tap into that mean threshold. But if you continue getting more lower prices, we surely gonna get more higher prices on the EU and the GU. We should get more higher prices on this too. If the dollar index keeps giving us lower prices, we should expect those. So yeah, but ICT trader, no. Top Step, only one phase. There's no two phase on Top Step. Do one phase and then you get funded. Simple like that. I'll be back in a few minutes. If you want to buy a prop firm, do well to go for the ones that been in the industry quite long, I guess. Yeah, you go for the ones that been in the industry for long, like the FTMO and the 5%ers. They've been in, I think the 5%ers have been in, they've been in the game longer than FTMO. I think so. I think they've been in the game for, or they're just like a year difference. Because I think the FTMO was like what, 2017, 2016. The project started in 2015 with FTMO, and okay, let me just, shit, did I just do that? Okay, yeah, FTMO, let's just say founded, right? Might have probably launched a little bit later, but let's see the 5%ers. Come on, really, 2016. You see, they were founded and they launched in 2016, and then let's see when FTMO launched. 2016, they launched in 2015. So yeah, that's the year difference between the two. So they've been in the game longer than most. They've been in the game longer than most of the German 30 is playing. Yeah. Not really giving us the juice. We want the juice. It's not giving us that. It is playing games. Let's see the EU. Let's DEX. DEX is still getting lower prices. I'm quite then we got EU. Then we got EU. Then we got EU. Then we got EU. But overall, I'm expecting more higher prices on this. On the dollar, lower. This should get us higher prices. And then there is German, who is not listening to nobody right now. It's going for that sell side there, the low that we made for today. Oh, it might be rejecting off of the microstructure shift with the BC. Oh, it can be just going for our SL. Anything can actually happen from here. Anything can literally happen from here. Anything can literally happen. I guess good morning, man. Good morning. How are you? How are you? How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Not bad, not bad. That's good, that's good. As long as you're good. As long as you're good, man. I guess. As long as you're good. GBP probably rejecting off a 5-minute. That 5-minute BC there. Probably be rejecting off of that. Yeah. Why is GBP tanking down like that? Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes perfect sense. So is the euro. Euro is weak. Euro is way too weak. Look at how much retracement it's already making. Oh well, same thing as GU. Is it? Yeah, same thing. Neither is weak. They're in the same. BTC is gone. Let's check that for a minute. Oh yeah, it is. It is. From that fair value gap with the microstructure shift, price just took off. You should be in proper nice profits. And then Asia high is all the way up there. Ooh. Because this was a trade, right? We took it exactly after we analyzed this. Or you took it before? Did you take it before or after we actually analyzed this? Damn it. Really? Before or after? ICT trader, did you take this before you asked me to check it and analyze this, or after? Yeah, the DXY is flying. This is not good. This is actually not good. This for the euro and the GU, it's not good. And the German also seems to be following too. How about the NAS? What are we doing on NAS? I guess we just took out that sell side. Still expecting more lower prices, but we're just getting higher prices on NAS. And then gold took out Asia low. That's great. Are we in discount for the day? No. But we did take out Asia low. Waiting for 15-minute mark, fair value gap 50%, but you told it looks good as it taps into. I took it that time. Oh, so you took it at that time. Oh, dope. Dope. That is dope. Good trade. The DXY is actually flying, and everything else is not looking good. Everything else is not looking good. Everything is not looking good. Wait. Close that. Yeah, everything else is not looking good. We got that bullish order block. 15-minute bullish order block. Price can reject off of that. Min threshold already. Already touched min threshold. Prices must reject off of this. Ooh. What? The market. Wagwan, man. Man, just looking at GU and DEX currently. Just looking at GU and DEX, and I like how GU just rejected off of that 15-minute bullish order block. just off of that main threshold, and then just tanking to the upside now. And then yeah, I guess do we have any entry on gold? No, so far. So I looked at gold and I saw nothing really exciting on gold. Well, we took out Asia low, yeah, but yeah, nothing really exciting on gold, right? 15-minute market structure shift, buy. Yeah, it might buy. Let's look at buy side liquidity, because on next run liquidity, it's all the way up there, and then we have that price is rejected off of this H4 bullish order block, right? Price is rejected off of that bullish order block, and then next run liquidity is that buy side there, and also we have that buy side there, and also have that NFP. This was NFP high, wasn't it? Oh, I'm going nuts here. Was this NFP high? I don't know. No, it can't be high. Can't be NFP high. I don't know. Probably saying some things here. That's the all-time high. But yeah, that all-time high. Next run liquidity. But that's what I'm expecting gold to draw. This buy side here. So H4, 15 minutes. Did we get a market structure shift? Not yet. But we do have this order block too. Right, with that bullish order block, if price can come reject off of that, that'd be nice. On the 5 minutes, we do have a market structure shift. We do have a market structure shift to the BC, and as you can see, price did reject off of that. You know, to give us more higher prices. Price is rejecting off of that market structure shift, and then tapped into the BC, and then yeah, we might go higher, taking out Asia high, and also buy side liquidity up there. So that's what I have for gold. That's what I have for gold. Not really interested. I'll see this during the NY session. Not interested in taking any trades right now. I'll see it during the New York session. After the unemployment claims, right after this kicks in, I'll be on top of it. I'll be on top of it. German is actually playing games with us, isn't it? It does not care about us. It does not care about nobody. Kiran, are you in a trade right now? London session. Are you in any trade? DXY should be going higher. It is doing just that, and I have a feeling we're still gonna sweep that mean threshold of that order block. I have a feeling we're still going there. I have a feeling we're still going there. So EURUSD already took out that sell side, already going even lower. So there's that too. There's that too. EURUSD seems to be the weaker one in this case, because GBP is still holding it, still fighting. It is still fighting. While the EURUSD already swept the lows, so EURUSD seems to be the weaker one, and then this one seems to be the best one to actually buy than the euro. So yeah, that's why I didn't want to touch this, because of the dollar index. It's looking a little bit shaky right now, a little bit weird right now. looking a little bit weird. See how Bitcoin is going so far. Small retracement. Let's look at gold. Small retracement also, going back into that BC. And then Nas really isn't really doing much. Let's look at our IPTA data. This is the euro. Let's look at our data, right? We're in obviously premium for the month, already taken out 20 days high. Crazy thing is that we took out 20 days high. We took out 20 days high, and we might actually reject. Get lower prices. German is still playing. German is still right here. This is what we're dealing with German right now. Still right there. This is what we're dealing with German. So yeah, as I was saying, if the data I am not feeling well. 20 days high already taken out, and I have a feeling that we might actually reject off of that 20 days high and then start to get more lower prices. Let's look at the daily, right? Because the next draw in liquidity is that 40 days high. You know, are we going there? But are we going to retrace a little before we actually get there, right? That's the question. That is the question. Is 8 pips your standard stop loss, or you shift based on pairs? Yeah, shift based on pairs. Shift based on pairs. 10 pips is actually, it's the standard. 10 pips. 10 pips. If you ask me, I'd say 10 pips. If you want to be safe, 15. 10 pips, 15, just based on the structure, based on the pair itself, based on what you're taking. But yeah. But I'd say 10. Use more than 10 pip stop loss on your USD. G is rejecting from 1 hour fair value gap. Cool, check that in a minute. Is 8 pips your guys? What is 8 pips your normal stop loss, or you shift based on different pairs? Yeah, it's shift. Tyrone, you asked him that same question. Yeah, you literally sent the same question. But like I said, it shifts. It shifts. It shifts. German's saying is rejecting offer for 1 hour fair value gap. An hour fair value gap, or maybe you're looking at a different broker. German puts don't even have that fair value gap. I shot 1 hour fair value gap. Or 15-minute fair value gap. 1 hour fair value gap, or 15 minutes, because this is the fair value gap that we've been looking at. Open price actually rejects off of that, making this the low of the day. So yeah, I say trader, which fair value gap are you talking about? One hour sell side. Are you talking about this fair value gap, man? Are you talking about this fair value gap? Jesus. Oh, are you saying that's where we're going next? Are you saying that's where we're going next? Are you saying German 30 is Next, drawing liquidity is that 1 hour fair value gap. Is that what you're saying? Oh, man, that's why I like using CB and BC. Makes things simple. Because now I'm looking at yeah, we're rejecting off of this 1 hour. Yeah, price tipped into that when we went up, and then also we got an order block that's probably like a min threshold. Nah, not really. We didn't tap into the min threshold of that order block up there. Yeah. Prices might do that. They might reject off of that and give us more higher prices. It might do that. It might do that. It might do that. But we'll see. We'll see. We will see. And then looking at the DXY, looks like it's getting tired now. Looks like it's getting tired there. As am I. GBPSD, at least it's holding its ground. Looks like it's holding its ground. GBPSD looks like it's holding its ground, so that's dope. That is dope. GBP AUD had a busy Asia. We had high impact news on the Aussie. Unemployment rate. That's why we had all this nonsense. As you can see, this is a perfect trade to take. Accumulation. I had all the accumulation there. Manipulation lower. And then distributed higher. That was perfect. And I told myself that I'd want to stay up for this session to actually trade. Manipulated lower, took out that sell side liquidity, then we went up. We just tanked to the upside. So yeah, this was something else. That was a good trade to actually trade during the Asia session. So yeah, everything tired from CPI move. Yeah, everything is just all cozy right now. I see the German is falling. Yeah, it is getting more lower prices. DXY, it's falling, which means this too should be getting higher prices too. So yeah, Adib, new subscriber here. Keep the good work, bro, and good luck. Thank you, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it, man. What's on GJ? GJ. Yeah. Ain't nothing really interested on GJ. let's go to the H4. Let's go to the daily. I mean, so many things happening right now. Prices rejecting off of this BC, even though we manipulated a little bit lower on the daily, and then yeah, price might close above this BC, right? And then we got that next draw in liquidity up there, and then we got, god damn it, and then we got that too. And then switching back to the H4, I like how it's just rejecting off of this order blocks here, giving us more higher prices. We do have that market structure shift to actually have a sell, but if price don't reject off of this, that, giving us lower prices, it will probably just keep tanking up, and also have that order block there. So there's a whole lot of bearish PD arrays. There's a whole lot of bearish PD arrays, a whole lot of them. So yeah, but looking into intersession trading, I don't have anything much. I don't have entries on this, so it's not looking good for me to take any trade on it today, or so far nothing. So yeah, did you enter any trades so far? Adib, yeah. Currently on a German 30, which is about to actually hit our SL right now. Actually took that sell, I mean that buy, about to hit SL, and then also we are just expecting this to get higher prices, expecting the GBPUSD to give us more higher prices, but looks like it's failing to do that right now. It is failing to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much what we have. Only this, which is okay, already there. We are already there to hitting SL. Yeah, so that's what we have. A deep SL about to hit. Yeah. Gold rejecting off of that 15-minute to 5-minute BC. Rejecting off of, let me just properly highlight it. Rejecting off of that 15-minute BC, going for higher prices. Bitcoin also rejecting off, giving us higher prices. So there's that too. Look at how GBPAUD has been. This might be a consolidating month. We've been consolidating almost the whole month, and yeah, just gonna wait for that manipulation, then distribute. We'll probably manipulate higher and distribute lower. But still all of that all-time low there. I mean, that swing low there. Question is, are we gonna go low, or we're gonna manipulate lower, then tank, give us more higher prices? So we'll just see how the GBPAUD actually plays out throughout the whole month. Entered sell on EU. What do you think? Yeah. Some people are actually expecting some they're actually on buys on EU for obvious reasons. We're in discount for the day. We're in we've been going up in an uptrend right now, but I would understand why you would sell, because of we just took out 20 days high yesterday. Actually today we actually took out 20 days high yesterday we actually touched the 20 days high yesterday. Yeah, took out 20 days high, so expecting some small retracement lower. It's understandable, right? But we were actually expecting price to actually reject off of this BC right here and then give us more higher prices, and that obviously giving us more discount and then go higher. So yeah, if you're in a sell, that's dope. I'm out on German debt. I'm guessing we already hit, yeah, we already hit SL. Yes, we hit SL on German. So that's another loss for the day. That is another loss for the day. That is another loss for the day, for the session. SL only, I will keep it up. SL only 8 pips. Nice. Good risk. If you're selling, you should already be in profit, right? So make sure you lock your profits. Wait. What? Where did we take this trade? We took this trade here. We took this trade there. And then we're gonna lock that. Just gonna say this was a second entry. And this was the first. What did I do? Second entry. Right there. And then this was the first entry. This was the first entry. Then we're gonna log that into our live trading. What's today's date? What? Copy. Today's what? 16. It's Thursday. This is London. It was on German. What's the entry? There we go. Zero. Let me stop loss. We hit it there, and then it was stopped out here. It was a buy. Jesus, I should have started with this. was a loss. Handles, I have no idea. I can't even calculate that. Because the question is this 26 pips? Because on indices, that can be 26 pips. It cannot be 26 pips. So yeah, that's that. Indices, I'll calculate it separately whenever I get a chance. As you can see, already this week, we're on a crazy loss. We got one win here. We got 1, 2, 3 wins so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losses this week so far. Not looking good. Not looking good. Hey D, what's up? What is up? Welcome to the stream. Late as always. Late to the stream as always. But we are here. I'm looking at the indices and I can see they're all dropping. They're all giving us lower prices. Nas must come take out Asia low as I'm expecting it, as I'm waiting to tap into that. It will be interesting. And then Bitcoin, yeah. I can see Eurusd, it's also falling, and the gbpusd also is giving lower prices, mainly because of DXY just tapped that mean threshold. So if price don't reject off of that mean threshold anytime soon, and it keeps giving us higher prices, we're definitely gonna get lower prices on the Eurusd and the gbpusd. As long as that is happening, we're still gonna get lower prices on the Eurusd. So as you can see, past that mean threshold, probably going to do the full rebalance, or it's going to use that order block as a breaker block, right? And what do I mean by a breaker block? It's going to use it as some sort of like support and resistance. So what will happen is that price will probably close above it, maybe reject off of that order block higher, came back to retest the mean threshold of it, and then continue giving us higher prices. So if price actually closes above on the 1 hour, this is what you probably should expect on the what is this, on the dollar index. So yeah, it's 3 a.m. here in SA. Yeah, I get it. I understand. I know. Have you tried using Notion for journaling? Yes, I have. I use it too. But for the sake of that's why I journal my personal trades. But for the live stream, so everybody can have access to this. I'm also gonna share it in the link in the chat, just in case you don't have access to it. Just for the sake of giving everybody access to this, that's why I use Google Excel. Yeah, that's why. But yeah, guys, that is actually it for me. Losing day to day too. I think I will be done for this session, and I'll just wait for New York. That is it for this session for me. And then price might be rejecting off down there. Yeah, but that is it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, any pair that you want me to look at now before I actually close the stream, we've been going for 2 hours now. If you have any questions that you want me to check, want me to answer, any pair that you want me to answer, you're more than welcome to do that right now. I'm guessing that is it. I'm guessing nobody got questions, so I guess I'll see you guys on the next one, eh? I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm not going live. There isn't really much to go live on with the news. Yeah, we do have unemployment claims, but yeah, this is what I want for me to go live during New York session. But other than that, I'll see you guys on tomorrow's Haiti. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry that you're joining the stream while I'm about to close the stream, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, but you'll be fine. But hey, guys, I hope you guys take care, and yeah, peace.